Hello guys, so this is my first long form video, and for today we're going to be going to master servers, and I have to try and place podium for every single round, or else I can't use the game pass, so this is going to be really hard. So let's get right into it. Okay, it's loading. Oh, I gotta change my setting. Okay, it's loaded and the theme is 1950s. Okay, what are we gonna do for this? I think I should just do like maybe work lady or something like that, or worker, because that would make sense, right? I think this is cute. Oh my god, maybe this one. Yeah, this is fine too. And from here, we're gonna use this here. We're gonna wear that. Oh my god, my voice sounds so bad right now. It's like I'm sick right now, and yeah, that's why I sound like a dying cat. So put that on. Make the nose black. Let's go like this. Oh god, why is the camera like that? No. Okay, now we gotta do the fit. Go over here and add this top. First, to make this white. This could be black. Then that's also black. Okay, the left side red, and the dots are fine. The red side, the right side. Sorry, okay, now the pants. We gotta add shirt, pants, or skirt. Which I feel like a skirt is way better because why not? Okay, so let's go at that. This one from VIP. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, yes. It's kind of eating away. I mean, it's a bit simple, but I hope to place. Okay, we'll do this. Yeah, and like that, and oh my god. My bad, guys. I sound so flipping bad right now. Oh my god. We're gonna go out here and add some heels though. Like, you can't have a fit with no shoes. Unless if you don't like shoes. Okay. What else? Ooh, a flip phone that gives. Oh my god. What? No. No. What was that? Alright, never mind. That phone. Make her gray. Yeah, that's probably it. Oh my god, no. I don't want to buy that. Oh. Is this it? I feel like I should have had something or things, something like this. This would work. This is cute. Okay, we're gonna layer a few more skirts to this because why not? Also, guys, I'm trying to stand as many K-pop groups as possible. So right now I have Stand, and the Seraphim. And you guys have K-pop, right? Not crazy. The K-pop. I don't really think they're K-pop, but yeah, I stand them too. And make sure you'll check out my Katsu editor. I think you'll really like them if you're an icon. And yeah, English is not my first language. I think you can tell by the way I'm speaking. So we'll add this too, because why not? Oh my god. This Okay, it's pretty cute. Wait, I'm gonna get a color like the bottom of my shoes. Yeah, that's way better. I think that. Now the chair in order to now let's talk. Okay, wait, I didn't even read that thing. Red Roblox with the puddle skirts of vintage. Oh, what goes this song? This is cute. I'm gonna try to zoom in for you guys to see if this fits better. So that's her fit. Okay. Oh, this is really cute. It's kind of giving doll or something like that. Yeah, probably. I'll give her 5 stars. It's cute. I'm gonna prepare my poses here because, like, why not? And also, look at where I am on the Bunny Pass. I'm so far. I don't think I'm gonna reach 39 before, like, this whole thing ends. Oh, this is cute. I'm gonna give it vintage too, but it's cute though. Okay, ooh. This polka dot is cute, and I'm with the red jacket, but it's kind of giving cool by 2K 1950s. I don't know if that existed back then, but yeah, it kind of is. So I'll give it that voting. Oh my god, I'm gonna try to talk better. Okay, this is fine. Oh, I love that cheetah print and her hair color. Oh, this is kind of giving Y2K with a tan skin. I mean, the print, like, come on. That kind of does give Y2K. Let's keep on voting. Oh, it's my turn. Really hope I place podium. Like I said at the start of the video, I can't use it again, but I was joking, okay? Okay, I'm not gonna do that. It'll be too hard on me. Plus, my filter are already natural bad, so yeah, that'll make it easier. I'm just gonna play casual DTI rounds because it's like my first ever DTI video, and yeah, just wanted to do this. Oh my god, I wish you guys were here to see this. There's polka dots on her dress. Like, look. They're so cute. Like, I'm obsessed with polka dots right now, especially black and white ones. Oh my gosh. Play 3 rounds. Oh, we're gonna do that later. Oh, this person. Maybe they joined late. Runway Diva. Cat. Oh, see you, Cat. You got that one here, there. But we'll just skip them because maybe they joined late. Yeah. Oh, now time to see. Did we please? No, I didn't go for the vintage, but it's okay. Who said the hate, Daniela? Who said the hate? No, hold up. Princess Ikaya? I have beef with you. Literally beef. Okay, the fact that this message is frying me. Trinity stars? Oh my god, no, what? Okay, at least we got 6th place at 13. Yay. Oh guys, what do y'all think of this update? It's really cool, like, not about y'all, but I really like it. Just gonna take all of this off. Taking all this off, and okay. I'll come back to you guys when the round is started, okay? Okay, the theme is rustic lace. I don't even know what this is. World charm with modern simplicity. Oh, I'm gonna do my own stuff here. I'm gonna just do like lots of jewelry, but then oh, this looks cute. Oh, nice. I think. Wait, what is this orangey shade? What is it? Oh yeah, it's you, bro. Get out. There's another orangey one. Should probably just make it darker. Black. Yeah, that's better. Rustic lace. I don't know if I have like that type of hair combo, so Maybe let's look. Not really, but yeah, we have the ginger. I think we prepared this. Don't even remember when I made this. Okay, black and black. My god, I wish there was a color autographer here because it will save so much time. Loki, like, look at me, my situation. Just sitting here doing my hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, black. Black again. Oh, gotta check this time. Oh, 11:24. It's still early. Black and black. Finally done coloring. Now we're just gonna go over here and we're gonna add this top, this thing. Forgot the name, but yeah, let's add it. Black and make it white here. I don't know where I'm coloring. Oh, that's cute. It's white. That's too much. I think black is okay there. And where does that? Okay. I mean, do we like this? I don't know. I'm not sure. But like, I kind of like it. Well, this granny dress. Yes, the granny dress. No, a lot of people don't really use it, but I mean, like, you can't blame them. The dress, it's not like that good, but it's not that bad at the same time. If you layer and stuff, add a bit of accessories, yeah. The granny dress is not the worst, y'all. Oh my god. Never mind. So we do that. Oh no, the brush should be black. Am I going more for cute rather than rustic lace? Look, too cute. I just realized I haven't colored something. Oh my gosh. What? Let's make this a little bit black to make it way bolder. And let's add. What am I gonna add? From this update, I think. Oh, it's here. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. But I was like so confused. Where is it? Where is it? This is just me, guys. Just me. Can I need some shoes? Think we'll add these. Make those on the way. Because why not? Yeah, that's okay. And also go here and you take these shoes and then only the socks. You see if you make the socks matte. Make that matte and make it like right. We'll keep the tights that way. They look like actual socks. I like that. Like really, really like that. Okay, that is cute. We're gonna add this and black again. White. I don't even know if I'm giving rustic, but yeah, this I'll have to do it here. Where's that one shorts? Oh my god, no, what? Yeah, this. Oh my god. Mom is so better like this. The default. Oh no, I don't want the garment. But I wanted the garment and the belt. Maybe instead of that, we could use the pinky up skirt. Yeah, only the belt. And if this ends up uncolored, it's okay, fine anyway. Gonna guess white. Yeah, that's fine. And we can add something else like tights real fast. Oh my god. Run, bro. We need those dice. I don't even understand what this theme says. Oh god. So, it somehow glitched and it lets me like wear my tattoo right now. Okay, we're gonna do that. Make them black. Wait, where was the theme? Old charm mixed with modern simplicity. I did not go for that charm. Like I said, I wanted to do my own stuff. So yeah, that's just me. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Wait, let me zoom in. Look at this card. It's lethal and she's gorgeous. She's giving. Okay, now let's prepare more processing. Oh, it's my turn. Wait, did I accidentally miss? No, that yellow looks so random. Oh my god, no. Accidentally misclicked and no. Guys, that's a flop. Already, I don't think I'm gonna get podium. Plus, I was like the Uduna out of these cutesy lacy fits. Yeah, mine was just it was something. At least I tried though. Like, ooh, wait, hold on. This is cute. This is gorgeous. This is so cute. Oh my god. I'm just reading this. You're according ICM like it's your Yeah, according ICM like it's your full-time job. No, what? No, they're just singing it. Let them sing it if they want to. Like they can quote iconic by mistake, but the ICM means iconic by mistake. So if you didn't know, now you do. Oh my god, it's so hard like recording and playing at the same time. So y'all like better subscribe and stuff. By the way, show my support. I'm gonna make my second video